Welcome to this tutorial on using time-based totals in a planning view. You will see how to create a planning view that displays period values and an aggregated total for the selected time interval. First, review what time settings control. They let you choose the required time granularity, define the number of periods to display, and decide whether the horizon uses a fixed time or rolling time window. You can also combine different time intervals, and by using total, display the aggregated key figure value for a time interval. Next, review the purpose of time-based totals in planning views. A total column or row covers a chosen time interval, follows the key figure aggregation and configuration, and is also known as a custom aggregate. Now, in Excel, open the SAP IBP ribbon. The Planning View group is displayed, and the New View button is highlighted. Click New View to create a planning view from a template. After clicking New View, the Create New Planning View from Template window opens on the Time Settings page. In the Time Settings table, the What to Show field is displayed. Open the What to Show dropdown and choose whether the view should show only periods or periods with a total. After opening the What to Show dropdown, the available options are displayed, including periods and total. Select periods and total, so the generated planning view includes both the monthly period columns and a total column. After selecting periods and total, the label for total field becomes available in the time settings row. Enter a label for the total column. In this example, the label is total. After entering the total label, confirm that the time settings row shows periods and total and the label you want to display. Then click OK to generate the planning view. After clicking OK, the SAP IBP Excel add-in creates the planning view in the worksheet. The view displays Actuals Qty by material across monthly columns from July 2025 through June 2026, followed by a total column with aggregated values. In summary, using time-based totals in a planning view starts by creating the planning view, changing what to show to periods and total, entering a total label, and confirming the setup. The SAP IBP Excel add-in then writes the planning view into the worksheet so planners can review individual period values and the aggregated total in one view. The exact templates, fields, periods, and settings may vary by planning area, template, and system setup. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope you found it insightful.